Hello everybody, this is Gill. Uh, I'm sorry I haven't been posting any videos. It's been a year more, I guess. I haven't been riding much, and sorry for the mess in my garage here. I just moved to a new house and still in the process of putting everything where it goes. My motorcycle's battery died. It's a 2016 motorcycle, and I bought it in 2017, and the battery that came with it is like still in there, so it lasted longer than I thought. And I was supposed to change it last year, but I didn't because this being a Royal Enfield, this got a kickstart there, so I would use this instead of using this here. And last week I ordered a battery from Amazon. I think it was $79 and some cents, and took about like 3 or 4 days to get here. This is the battery here. This one, well, they say it comes factory charged and it's sealed, so don't have to worry about any acid leaking out, no leakage. And it comes with its own screws to screw it in, but I'm just gonna use the old ones. There's some using this. Let me just take it out of the box there. It's so here it came with these screws. I just don't need them, so I'm just gonna put them in the box. So this is the battery here. It's sealed, and to change it I will need a screwdriver, and that's it. So we will need a Phillips screwdriver, and this one here. So this is the battery it came with, because in India I know these comes with a Excite battery, and I heard someone was talking about their motorcycle coming with Amaron battery. Mine came with this. This one is sealed too. Let's take it out and see how it works. Okay, so these are two straps here. We need to take them apart, like take them out to take. Let's just go behind here. There are. Okay, I think it would be better if we go from the other side. It will be a little bit easier. See from here. I don't know if you can see that. There's there we go. I took one out, and the top one should be somewhere right here. Okay, it was out of it one hand. So let's go to this side again. Okay, let's see. Okay, so on this side, just need to take that out of that. There we go. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so this is the Phillips screwdriver. This is where we need it, or you can use a socket, small one, but I had the screwdriver. And here, okay, That said, I'm just gonna use these screws. There's nothing wrong with these, so I'll just use these. I'm gonna keep them on the side for a there we go. And now what's this one? Okay. This one comes out. There we go. Okay, let's put this battery back in. I want these terminals to be outside on this side here. So I've seen some motorcycles they have done that, but I think I'm gonna have to mess with these wires. I have to get them around. I don't want to do that, since like this being Canada, I don't want to mess with wiring and then not being able to get it. Like if I break something, I don't not being able to get it fixed. It will be a pain to get it fixed if I break something, so I just rather put it back the way it was. Okay, so this one is AGM battery, right? So this one was same, and AGM is it stands for, I think, absorbent glass mat. It's a sealed lead acid type battery. These are supposed to be like maintenance free and spill proof, and they're also called VRLA batteries or SLA batteries. They provide high power, and they have a low internal resistance. They're supposed to charge 5 times faster than the older ones, the flooded type batteries. And the one they have we have to check for acid and water and leakage. So these ones, they don't have that, and they're supposed to like last longer than the flooded batteries. They have like longer life, and they can handle cold and hot temperatures well, better than the flooded type batteries. So okay, let's go ahead and install it. Okay, so like earlier, I'm just gonna put my knee under it, so like this, and let's put, okay, this one goes negative black, positive red, and there. Okay, so this one, and okay, this one, and the one with the fuse here, this one here, the red one, goes to the positive terminal, and this one goes to the negative, and this one goes here. So it's harder for me to install it with one hand, so just I'm gonna put the phone down for a minute. Okay, so we need to use these ones here. Put them in here, and this one goes in here. Okay, and we use the old screws. Okay, so this is how it goes in there. once you install the battery, do not forget to put these on, because that's what's holding your battery in place. This one is done, and the one at the bottom. Okay. There we go. And there we go. Got a new battery in. I'm just gonna start it up and see if it works or not. That, folks, is how you change the battery on Royal Enfield. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next one.